if you are one of those unlucky ones that have lost the power of smell due to COVID-19, I would tell you that there is hope to get it back faster. And the reason is, whenever you smell something, it goes and stores its memory into your limbic brain. So, for example, if I would tell you what is the smell of an orange, you kind of have a remembrance of it right in your limbic brain. So when you take the essential oil of orange, provided it's 100% natural, what it does is your body processes it as a plant food, and when your limbic brain smells that particular orange, and when you know it's an orange, then the connection is made from your limbic brain, from your memory, to that particular smell. So you're actually training your body, and there are certain enzymes and certain neurotransmitters that they are released that would make that connection between your memory and the smell. So that's how you train yourself to actually a particular smell. The best way to train yourself is taking essential oils. Let's say we took a essential oil, a citrus essential oil like orange, or another essential oil like peppermint. Some of these essential oils, especially peppermint, is one that immediately registers because you've been using it in a chewing gum, you've been using it in a toothpaste. But certain people who have had COVID are complaining that peppermint actually makes them vomit. For those people, it could be an orange. And if it is not an orange, it could be a lavender, which is a flower smell, or a rose, or something else. So you'll have to give it a test and try. But once you've actually, but you need to give it a long shot, in the sense you need to keep training yourself for 10 minutes a day between 5 or 6 different oils. Just take essential oil bottles, smell it, read it what it is. Let's say if it says orange, then smell it. Make sure it is therapeutic grade. The reason I'm not trying to sell you our product, but I put my own brand name with my last name on it. So every drop is 100% pure and natural. Plus, Dr. Ram Dandolaya, who's one of the top leading clinicians in Cedar Sinai, is actually testing it on his patients. So Cedar Sinai is like one of the top institutes in Southern California and world renowned. And once these tests are complete, we'll be rolling it out on a bigger way to the entire world. But basically, what it does is it is your memory and your visual connection, because although you've lost your smelling sense, you've still not lost your connection to your memory and your visual connection. So you'll use those two connections. You'll read it's a orange, you'll smell it's a orange, and then you'll remember it's an orange. So you kind of make that loop work for you to kind of make sure that you get your power of smelling back. Best of luck. We'll be coming out with a pretty good kit pretty soon. Thank you. And if you have any questions, please email contact@gurunanda.com. I will make sure my secretary gets me those emails, and I'd like to make videos with you. I'm in contact with psychiatrists. I'm in contact with the top clinicians who are treating COVID, and I'm in contact with top ENT doctors. I'm actually using the science of aromatherapy to see how I can be of help in this scenario where this particular problem is called anosmia, and we want to make sure that we can try to help you to get your power of smelling as soon as back as possible. Thank you so much.